tired of getting lost in a sea of random YouTube tutorials and feeling like you're not making any real progress? What if you could have a personal tutor available 24/7 to help you master any skill 3 times faster? Well, you can, using AI. Here's how. First, pick just one skill you want to learn. It could be Excel, Canva, coding, even public speaking. Focus is key. Second, ask AI to build your custom roadmap. Open up your favorite AI tool and type this prompt. Act as a personal tutor. I am a complete beginner in public speaking. I have 30 minutes a day to learn. Build me a 30-day learning plan with simple daily lessons and practice tasks. Finally, turn each day into a practical lesson. For day 1, simply ask the AI, explain today's concept in simple language. Then give me one small practice exercise. Just repeat that process every single day. Explain, then practice. If you want more AI-powered learning plans and challenges, make sure to subscribe to my channel, New World AI. Thanks for watching.